So thanks for being here. Today we're going to review Wulftec Advantage, delivering value to customers. So Wulftec, for those of you who don't know us, we're a manufacturer of stretch wrapping equipment and strapping equipment. So we're in the end-of-line packaging. We've been in the business for 35 years. So we are celebrating 35 years this year. Started in 1990, then went through some acquisition, and we're now part of the Durvan Group. So group of companies in packaging, material handling, food processing, and protein, like you've seen. So this is a really good combination of companies, and being in the end of line, we really work closely to a lot of these companies, our sister companies, because we really complement the lines that they put together with our end of line. So we have a global reach in the sense where we're serving a lot of industries in a lot of countries. So really, if you think about everything that is needs to be shipped or needs to be protected, we provide load containment solutions. So we provide the stretch wrapping or the strapping equipment to make sure the product gets in the right condition at the location. Our commitment is quality and innovation. So this is how we started from a small company, and 35 years later, we sell thousands and thousands of equipment because we commit on quality, innovation. We have a very innovative team, and our equipment is robust and reliable. So how does this bring value to customers? Well, first, the durability in the construction. So having been in the industry for 35 years, our equipment is an equipment that's being purchased for many years. So it's not a decision where people will buy equipment and they'll change it over in 5 or 10 years. So it's there for many, many years, and that's why we built it very durable and with all steel structures, so that you can really get the benefits long term. The other element is we make them user friendly. So being end of line, we're the piece at the let's say at the end of the packaging line that nobody wants to worry about. It's been going through all the different processes, and they don't want it to be stop or their product not to ship just because of the end of line stretch wrapper or strapper. So we make them user friendly, so they can be run by operators that don't require a lot of training, so they don't require a lot of maintenance, and that there is no downtime slowing down the customer from shipping their product. Same thing on the maintenance and warranty. Because it's end of line, again, nobody wants to care about maintaining this equipment a lot. I know some people are nodding here. So therefore, we designed them with really minimal maintenance requirement, so that even if there's really small maintenance done on the equipment, they're still going to continue running. So that's one area that brings value to our customers, is they don't need to invest a lot into maintenance. They don't need to have specialized team to really maintain our equipment or to run the equipment. So that all of that saves them money and bring them value. And then probably one of the biggest element is the customization aspect. So we customize our equipment. There's not one of our machines that's built the same way. We can build them the same way, if our customers want to. But really, here the differentiator is we'll build what the customer needs. So they can specify, they can have different needs, they can have different configuration, and we'll just do it. So they don't select from a catalog, but we really customize our equipment. Therefore, they don't need to adapt their operation to our machines. We adapt the machines to their operation. So that's another way that we are different, and that it brings value to our customers. We also use advanced technology. So if you have time to visit our booth, we have real-time performance on our machine, a very user-friendly screen. We indicate alarm, maintenance requirement directly on our screen, again, just to facilitate and make our customer life easier running our equipment. You can have preset recipe, but everything is built so that, again, we save time to the end users, we save downtime also, and that we save them some money by not having the requirement for advanced workforce. Then, even if the equipment is really good, the other key element is service. So servicing the equipment, having people that have the knowledge, that have been going through a lot of situations, that can support quickly the end users. Also, as far as having parts availability, on-site support, a distribution and partner network that's really close to our customer for quick response time, and again, all of this to reduce downtime. So having a local network, having parts availability, and technical expertise close to our customer is key. The other thing is we offer factory acceptance. So we allow customers to come into our building to test the equipment like if it would be operating in their own facility. And again, this provides additional input and additional test time and reduces the startup time. So all of these elements are things that are bringing, reducing cost for our customers, the advanced technology, the low maintenance, the support that we provide, the customization, and also the sustainable solutions that we provide. And I can take any question. Well, thank you.